You're in tune to the one and only, the best, the greatest online radio you'll ever need. It's Team Blue Entertainment Radio. We stream on Thursdays, Fridays, Saturdays, and Sundays. Don't dare touch that dial.
Team Blue Radio. Blue Radio.
Dollar, break up $1 million. Dollar, couple billion. Dollar, couple million. Dollar, couple million, billion. Right now, me a break up $1 million. Trillion, 6 cars, 6 minivan. Right now, me a break up a zillion, billion. House big like pavilion. Dollar, couple million. Dollar, couple zillion. Dollar, couple million. Dollar, couple trillion, billion.
Team Blue Radio.
Team Blue, you know, to the whole of Belgium. That's what you know, all of Germany, me say Spain, me say Switzerland. You know, say that's where the thing go on. So me say Alan, AGD.
Yo, Didri.
Yo.
Yeah.
AJ Kev.
Yes, I am.
All go on, family.
Yeah, man, go and make yourself, Didri. Yeah, man, right now, you're live at the ear, you know? Yeah, man, you're live. Yeah, man, Team Blue Radio Rasta.
Go on. Things are right, I don't know, I work on the EP and a bag of thing. New video soon come out, Addicted. You know the thing, go?
Yeah, Zed. Yeah, man, Didri, but over the years, watching you, I watch your career growing. You know what I mean? Yeah, but so the people who have to know, because right now, we have a few questions that we are artists. The people who have to know where the music starts for you and what inspires Rasta.
You know, so my father is a musician, my grandfather is a musician, so that's something in my blood. My mother and father always love music, you know, I'm there running from a little bit. So my father always did the studio and I learn my craft. I start build rhythm and record myself, then I book up in a Charlie Blacks and then show me the road. You know what I mean? We get up a number one in the Caribbean, then we move on to get in a billboard in the world. You know what I mean? For the Chang Party Animal. And that just give me the boost for, you know what I mean? Do more production and that. Start do a lot of tours and, you see me? Take on the world the real way. Yeah, so.
Yeah.
It started from like 2009, 2010, just recording myself and building rhythms.
So Didri.
Yeah, fam.
Yeah, man, so the name Didri Rasta, because it sounds like a unique name. How did you come by this name?
Alright, you know what I say? Stem from a real name, Waldy and I'm my first manager. Pastor, we know, R.I.P. Triton, you know the thing, bro.
Yeah.
You know, they just come up with that name because we say, yo, we need something catchy for the girl, them and something we can, you know what I mean, incorporate in our slow and our style.
See,
I'll
cool
come
about
up with Didri, you see me?
Yeah. Cool about. Yeah, man. So, growing up as a youth, Rasta, what kind of music you used to listen?
Yo, me listen to a wide variety of music from young, you know, because my father used to play like reggae music and like crossover, rhythm and blues, that kind of music, you know what I mean? And my mother, they love hip-hop and dancehall. So, you know, growing up, we listen to a wide variety of music, not for the Sizzler them, not for the Bounty Killer them, not for the Billy Ocean them, enough little thing, you know what I mean? Yeah. So we never just stem in one kind of music, and since we get bigger and mature now, we start listening to a lot of African music and European music. Yeah. You see me I say? Yeah.
Yeah, cool about. So you think the music you used to listen back in the days, saying and the music now, do you think it's changing?
Music change with time, you know.
See.
You know what I mean? Music can never go there at one place, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
It can always change, but that's something that we can control. As we get older, different sounds and things that we like change along with the time.
Yeah.
You see me I say? So definitely music change, and anytime it changes, always for better, because when I think something that got change in terms of it got change, I wouldn't like it. It must be a reason why it a change, because you know what I mean, the feedback have to be good for something to be in change, you know what I mean?
Yeah, for real.
So,
for real.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah. So do you consider yourself as a role model, Dead?
Definitely, because we are role model in many different ways in terms of where we're from, you know what I mean? We're very influential.
See.
Very dangerous place, you know.
Yeah,
Crime
cool,
level
man.
up in them places, but the music and the message that we push people receive it on a good level and, you know, and
Zed,
try to hold
Zed.
it down. And people my age group, you know, me inspire enough people for
Yeah,
believe in themselves and follow them dream and just
Yeah.
go hard in towards where you want. Is what I say?
Seen Dean Ray, cool about.
Yeah, so it's always about putting a good message out there and being a good role model.
Yeah,
I have
cool.
different type of role models as well, you know. So
Yeah,
it's
yeah,
always
yeah,
important
yeah.
to be a good one, isn't it?
Cool about. Yeah, man.
Yeah.
So in a way, if you have to migrate, Rasta, which street country you'd consider migrating to?
Migrating.
Yeah, you know, if
Big
you have to
man
migrate
thing.
permanently, you know? Yeah.
Big man thing, you know, so Africa is a place that I always hear about because I have friends that live there.
See it.
You see me?
Yeah.
So Africa, definitely. I've never been there, so I don't know if it'd be number one. But,
Cool
you know
about-
what I mean? Is either Africa,
Yeah.
South America,
See.
or like France. You see me?
Yeah, cool about. Yeah,
Yeah.
man. Like good
Yeah.
still. Yeah.
But the world is a beautiful place, though. I appreciate every country, every culture.
Cool,
in its
man.
own
Yeah, man.
different
That's
way,
the thing
you
of
see
this thing, you know? Yeah, man.
me? Yeah.
Yeah, man. So, do you have anything coming up? You know, anything new
man,
coming up?
I've
You know, in
EP
pipeline, you know?
when you're fully active, fully active, you see me?
Yeah.
And we're releasing the first single
Yeah.
for next week called Addicted. The video I already shoot and everything, so
Aye.
it's on its way out.
See.
You see me? I say so. I just want the people them look out for him, want the whole Africa massive look out for it and give me the full support on that one because it's gonna go big.
Yeah, cool
You see me?
about.
I say.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, fully active, coming soon.
Yeah. So you say you have some collaboration coming up then?
Right now we have some collaboration with foreign artists. You know what I mean? We have some Spanish song.
Oh, some
in the
Spanish.
pipeline for come out. Yeah,
See,
because I
see.
don't know.
Yeah, but you
That's
have
one of
to-
the
you have-
biggest market in the
See,
world.
you have-
Spanish South American market is one of the biggest markets. So I always have to mix
See.
the thing with some English and some Spanish and dancehall, different some reggaeton
cool,
slash
man.
Latino music. You see what I say?
Yeah. Yeah, cool
Yeah,
about.
so-
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
So what can we expect from you in for the rest of 2018 then, you know?
Yo, just greatness, you know, moving forward, more
See.
videos, more new song.
Yeah.
You know, more collaborations, more tours.
See
You see
that.
me? We have the April tour coming up.
Yeah.
Just want everybody support the thing and come out and show them face. If you have a CD, them and I mean,
Yeah,
gonna come
yeah.
with a T-shirt, them.
Cool, no?
It's just a great vibe.
Yeah.
You see me?
Yeah.
So 2018 I gonna be believe me, the year not gonna normal, my brother.
Yes, I see it.
You see
So
me?
when you say
Africa, I get T-side, so
cool
know
about
the thing go.
yeah, cause you say you never go down there yet, innit? I'm gonna say you're gonna deal with it up at a level. Yeah. So when they say tour, which part of the world are gonna be touring?
All right. Just I come from Miami. I have a show in Miami.
Yeah.
Before I go Miami, I had a show in London.
See.
Before I went to London, I had a show in Canada. Before I go Canada, I have a show
Aye.
in South America. And this is within a 14 months time span. Now I have a tour coming up in April.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? With I think it's 15 different dates.
See.
So, you know what I mean? If you need to book the Enrique National,
See.
it's Rose and she sort out everything, get a date and everything lock in and booking everything.
Yeah. Cool
alright.
about cool.
You see what I say?
Yeah, but
Yeah.
seeing that, yeah, cool. So what kind of message you have to give the younger generation of DJs and artists? Because sometimes they need a bit of inspiration, you know, and a bit of motivation.
Yeah.
So what kind of message you have to give the younger youth them?
And I message them if you listen some more DNA.
See.
But on a real level still.
Man,
just work
man.
hard, stay focused, determined, you know what I mean? And just believe in yourself and go for what you really want.
Yeah, man, cool about.
You see me, I say?
See, I saw the
Yeah.
thing stay in the DJ, because without that you would get this so far, this far actually.
Yeah.
You know. So
You see
you
me?
may say, so we are in Jamaica. You got any eye from?
Kingston, you know, so my studio in Kingston now, but my born and raised in the Ocho
Oh,
Center.
seed. Yeah, man. Yeah,
Yeah.
man. Well, he's the area we don't go in all of the time. But so I say, I know say, boy, you're busy, man. I have to do road. You say, I say, I go and live with your thing.
More, you know what I mean?
say,
Anytime.
Yeah, man.
Thanks for the support. Big up
Yeah,
the whole
man.
radio station.
Yeah, man. And the whole world, like God, back
Europe massive, the whole Africa massive, you know the
See.
thing go. Thanks for your time, set speed. You
Yeah,
know
man,
the thing
big
go.
up yourself,
Fully
man.
active.
Yeah, man, big up. Yeah, man, and for the rest of T-Blue family, we just want to say a whole heap of success to your career, you know what I mean? And, you know, where you want to achieve, you know what I mean? So, you know what I say, just go and big up yourself, Rasta.
Love and respect, man. You know the
Yeah,
thing
man,
go.
man. All right,
Alright,
dude,
fully
big up yourself, yeah. Yeah, man.
Oh, Lord, of them station right. Oh, Lord, of them station right. Yeah. Oh, Lord, of them station right. Shit, fi mash up the vagina. The rain off fi use the spirulina. When y'all get the seed of them mosquito net like Eva. The one that name Top Jackie. Beans and okra steam down with the ackee. The mount of Irish mash blend up the attacky. Calabal and I tell me say me no fit happy. Her boom boom happy. Shit, Top Jackie. Honey weed supplement tent in the backy. Kungu plus the medina fi breed Jackie. 1 cup fi slimmers, 2 cup fi fatty. 1 knock me knock and she love off me.
So me say Team Blue, you know, say the whole of Belgium. Me say watch on the whole of Germany, me say Spain, me say Switzerland. You know, say that's how the thing go on. So me say Alan, Egede. Hear me no Team Blue Entertainment gone clear, you know, the vibe lovely. So it a fi share, you know. Hear me no, me I make them know this, you know, say Nuclear represent the Team Blue.